Start projects a way for artists to come together and do what they love on a project basis. We get all of these ideas and these just crazy things we want to do, and each of us have like a special, unique gift. And when we share and we collaborate on a different level of a kind of a generosity, we become into like an evolution. Whatever you want to do in the world, you come together as a human being, as an individual, and you connect with certain people, and then off you go and to make magic. And that's on you, but this is where it starts.
This is one of the panels for our monkey temple. This was all upcycled wood that we found around in the community.
All of this was literally in the trash, and then we made it into like this crazy epic space where people meet and people get to enjoy it. So much love goes into it. I think the message is that you can make art out of anything, and that you never know what potential something has until you look at it in that other way.
The temple is supposed to be a meeting spot. The idea is that it's like a communal space for us to come together.
So this is the inner core to the monkey temple. It's just a great base for all of the pieces to come together. We make all of our own stuff, everything. Anything we get reused and remade into something like ridiculously awesome every time. Start Project was born at Lucidity Festival. We were graced with the opportunity and freedom to build the creative projects we had. They really kind of nurtured us and made us into what we are today. It's a really great thing. The festival is really part of what Start Project is.
Start Project makes really big art. They make architectural pieces that really combine color and structure and shape in a way that is really unique.
Start Project is a place to make your dreams come true and build the friendships necessary to do it.